Hello po. Good morning everyone. It's October 1st, 2024. It's actually winter this time and it's supposed to be the day of my video, but for now I stopped because of my grudges, my doubts about myself back then. So I just stopped and now I convinced myself to do it again. So we're gonna go back to day one and I'm here. It's 12. It's 12. No, it's 1. It's 1 in the morning. So I'm gonna rest for now and I'll do the work later. But aside that later, I can't sleep at all. So I just wrote down some things that I just understand. So yeah, for that. So it's actually morning now. So I'm just gonna read and do things, especially today because there's no school for now. I guess I'm just gonna